Guys, do you have your strings? We already got ours because I picked purple and I picked a lightest orange.
Welcome to London's Toy Box. Welcome to London's Toy Box. Welcome to London's Toy Box. Let's have fun and learn new things. Welcome to London's Toy Box. Welcome to London's Toy Box. Welcome to London's Toy Box. Let's play, love, learn, dance, sing.
Welcome to London's Toy Box. Today we are going to be having a BD day because we're going to be doing bead bracelets with Leila.
And I'm going to be teaching London for the first time.
The first time that I'm doing bead bracelets. So make sure you get to your colors and like and subscribe. And make sure you have these beads, thread, and your scissors. And your cup of water.
And if you do have this, you can use it to hold your cup of water. But if you don't, just put the cup of water on your table.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
Guys, do you have your strings? We already got ours because I picked purple. And I picked a lightest orange. It's kind of like a...
Orange string. An orange string. So you want it about like this length. So you could do like this to grab the tip.
That's cool.
And like that, all the way to your shoulder.
Okay, Leila, can you help me with this? Because it's really
sure.
Hard. Let's see. Oh, here it is.
So London, you're gonna get the string, hold it, pull, not too tight, by the way.
Okay.
Pull it a little.
Okay.
And then see if it's long enough.
Long enough.
Yes.
And you want to make sure.
And you want to make sure that you have it at least long to your shoulder to your wrist. Okay? So you can go ahead and do that.
Whoa. Wow, that's so cool.
Oh. Little air bubbles one. Broke it.
Broke it?
Yes.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, no, oh, no, oh, no.
Okay, that's good. So we're going to cut it.
It's like right here.
Yes, go ahead and cut it right there. And guys, I'm going to do it to mine now.
Where my finger is. Okay, guys, I cut it to mine.
Yes, you did. So guys, I think mine's the length to me.
I think mine's the length.
Okay, guys, now you're gonna cut it.
Cut it like that.
You cut it. Ta-da!
Subscribe button.
Yes. Okay, guys, we're gonna dip our finger in the water, just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
So then you grab your string, the tip of it, and then slide it up and twist. Slide it up and twist.
That is awesome. Thanks, Leila.
Slide it up and twist. Perfect.
Slide it up and twist. Like
yes.
This is how it's supposed to look.
It looks different. Ask your mom to do it.
Or your dad.
Yeah. So if you did that step, good job. So now we're gonna put some beads. We're gonna pick out our beads. Which one are you gonna do, London?
I think I'm gonna do this orange one because it's just like this orange string, but this orange one is darker and it looks like a snowflake.
Or maybe you should do like all the colors because it kind of matches that.
Yeah.
And then guys, I'm gonna be doing this kind of thing because it's kind of purple with a mix of pink, and then there's
But
a
it doesn't
purple.
have to be like a match of color. You can choose any color you want, guys.
You don't
Be
need
creative.
you don't need to copy us.
Yeah.
So
Be creative.
I'm gonna do This
It's
one's
kind of
hard.
hard. I'm gonna just do a little.
They look like flowers, don't they?
Yeah, they look like snowflakes if we had a blue one. Well, we already have a blue one.
Okay, guys, we put it through. Okay, guys, once you put your bead through the thread, now you're gonna do the little loop like this, okay? So now you put your thread through it and pull like that, and it won't fall and go all over the place
Okay.
like that.
I'm gonna try that. So a big loop.
Like that. Yes.
And
Not
then
too big.
I put my thread in.
And tie. Good job, London. You did it.
Thank you, Leila, for teaching me.
You're welcome.
This is super duper easy. Okay. Before I do this next step, make sure you like and subscribe.
Okay, guys. Next, you want to put your bead down and pick your next color. I picked this purple.
I'm gonna pick this red one.
Okay.
It's crystally.
And then you put it through.
I'm gonna put mine through.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Isn't it pretty, guys?
Ta-da! It looks super pretty.
It looks like
Now.
pretty.
You just do the same thing over and over, but you just
Again.
pick different colors.
I'm gonna pick a yellow.
Yeah. So now you do the same thing that you want. And if it doesn't go right, just dip your finger and
Water and do the same thing that we were doing.
Yeah. So now
It's not
let's
going
pull.
in there.
And when you're done with this, you can do it for your family members or for
your
dad
friends.
or for yourself. So now we're gonna keep on going doing this. It looks kind of like a cake. So now we are gonna keep on going with our beads because
And I'm using a circle one day.
I am using these kind. So we might want to like mix it up, guys, or we can just do the same thing. I'm gonna do the same thing because I don't want to mix them up that much.
I don't want to do the same thing that I did with the little crystal stars. I'm actually going to use different kinds of shaped beads, guys, because I want to be creative.
All right, we're done.
Mine looks like a Japanese bracelet. Isn't so pretty.
Mine looks like a chandelier that's twisting. Look, see, it's pretty.
Ours are super pretty.
It kind of looks like the same. Do you want me to tie that on your wrist, London?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Guys, you want to make sure that if you can tie it, that is awesome. You want to make sure someone's helping you if you don't.
Okay, Dad. Okay. So first, we're gonna make the X. We're gonna make an X. Take one thing. Take one of the strings. Tie this like that. So then you're gonna redo it. You're gonna make an X again. You're gonna take the short one, put it under, and tie. Ta-da!
Thank you, Leila.
Now,
Guys, make sure you like and subscribe.
no. Okay, do you want me to cut like right here?
Yes. And guys, my bracelet is super pretty. Look at it.
Also, it sings.
I can change it to any color I want.
And guys, if you need to redo it, look in the video again.
Yeah.
So mine, I'm gonna tie mine on. So, London, do you know how to tie? It's okay. I'll just tie mine after the video. So guys, this is mine. Let me show yours again. It looks very pretty. All
I
right.
can change it to any color I want.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching our video. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Now.